people, welcome back to my channel, and in this vlog, Roxy, boyfriend and I will be rating our summer outfits. Let's get into it.
Guys, ready or not, here comes Rocky. So what do you think of the green dress?
Okay, I'll go first. Okay, I like this green dress. It reminds me of summer. I like it. And you know, summer date night and everything. So I'll give it a 5.
Okay, love, your turn.
Yeah, I agree with Rose. I give it a 5 out of 5. It's not simple, it's not average, a lot of style to it. So yeah, I like it. I think it's good for a date night in the summer, yeah.
So I hope you guys have the yellow crop top and the half cut jean skirt. So let's go.
Oh wow, I love the skirt. I love the skirt detailed. Denim skirt details and everything. Pair with different tops. It will look so good for summer. You can wear this skirt every day in the summer. So yeah, I definitely love the skirt too as well. I'll give it a the skirt is a 5 out of 5 too. So yeah.
Love, your take.
I like this outfit too. It's not the best because I've seen like you wear something like this before. So for me, I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5 because I've seen you wear something like this already.
This one, okay. Now, what do you guys think of the tropical bliss?
You did very well on this outfit. Now this outfit says summer, it says vacation vibe, it says tropical. So for me, I'll give it a 5 out of 5 as well. Because I really like it. I like the split in the skirt and everything. I love the tropical color. I love it. Yeah, 5 out of 5.
Okay, babe, I know you don't like this part.
Yeah, babe, this is the outfit. I love this outfit. I love the skirt. When I saw the split, I was like, yeah, babe. And then when you like walk in and you drop your skirt, I was like, why are you dropping the skirt? Then I realized, oh, there's a bikini underneath it. You were walking backwards, and I was like, why? Then I realized it's a thong bikini, so it's very deep cut. This outfit is definitely for our vacation when I'm around, so I can definitely watch you. So yeah, this outfit, I like it for us.
So this one I was going for a modest beach look.
Okay, sis, I like this swimwear. I like that it's high-waisted. It's more higher than the other swimwear. I like the back of this swimwear too. It's modest, whether it's called fam vacation with our mama or family. So yeah, I also give this a 5 out of 5. I don't see an outfit that I don't like. I like all of them. So yeah, 5 out of 5.
I like this swimwear. I like it better than the other one. It's family friendly. It's modest, so it's 5 out of 5.
So you guys really like them? Yeah man, we like all of them. You look good in everyone, sis. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye! Bye guys, bye! Bye my people, bye!